everyone, and welcome to Shulini TV, where we get you the latest news bulletins right from the Shulini campus. I am Arushi, and these are the news headlines.
Well-known actor Dia Mirza vows Shulinians. New series called The Success Strategies takes off. 5 students backs scholarships to study abroad. Internationally acclaimed chef visited campus.
First, the breaking news. Registrations for existing students begin from August 1. Even when several institutions are still struggling to finish their previous academic sessions and conduct examinations, Shulini University would begin the registrations from August 1 and will go ahead with the new academic sessions without any disruptions. Now Bhavna will give us the details of the session with the well-known actor and environmentalist Dia Mirza.
A perfect combination of beauty and brain, Dia Mirza was crowned Miss Asia Pacific at the age of 18. An inspirational person, she is also working as an environmental and wildlife conservationist. She is also the UN's Environment Goodwill Ambassador for India. During a webinar with Shulinians, she shared how expressing oneself with writing can make a difference.
Sometimes at a certain age, certain events occur and people, children especially, I see grown-ups doing it now as well, but I think children can be insensitive towards each other. And I will never forget my class teacher who encouraged me to write, start expressing myself through writing. So from being an introvert, I started becoming more of an extrovert. I started enjoying participating in plays, and my personality changed significantly after this intervention. And I think it's a very important intervention that many of us underestimate the power of expressing ourselves in writing. And just being able to address what is happening, what we're feeling, it may not necessarily be with somebody else, but even if it is with ourselves on a page, it makes a big difference. And it really helped build my confidence. So through school, I participated in school plays. I was always on the sports field, playing games. I lost my father when I was 9, and that was, again, a very big life change that I had to accept and understand. And I was.
Besides this, she spoke on how important it is to protect and connect with nature. She said, empathy and gratitude are the most important aspects of life. Referring to her recent film Thappad, she said how important it is to report any kind of crime.
I think the one fundamental message that we've been conveying through this lockdown, through all our communication platforms, is if you witness a crime against a woman, domestic violence, speak about it, report it. If you are, dealing with domestic violence, you must reach out to someone, tell the person what you're experiencing. There is always help available. I think most women feel embarrassed because they are society, वो घर की बात घर में ही रहे तो बेहतर है. ये जो सोच है, इसको बदलना बहुत जरूरी है.
Now we have Nikita to tell us about the new series started by Shulini University called The Success Stories.
In the first of the series called The Success Strategies, Shulini University invited dynamic Haryana IPS officer ADGP Ms. Charu Bali. She shared her experiences and gave tips on how to crack civil services examination. An excerpt from the interaction.
See, like I said, I've taken the exam only once, and that was years ago, but I've been in touch with students, or people who take exams. I really, cracking an exam is really cracking the exam. The exam, I guess, so sometimes, maybe to put my children at ease, I sometimes tell them, which may be true also, I don't know. I tell them the exam is just a test of taking the exam, sometimes. So that element is, we have to be very mercenary about it and very objective about it. that there's a certain structure to the exam. If you want to succeed in the exam, I think you need to understand the structure of the exam. You have to understand what it requires in those 3 hours, 2 hours, whatever that you're sitting down and writing. What are the skills you need, right? You work your way backwards and see what suits you, right? So you see what suits you, which subject demands what each subject demands, and whether you are in a position to comfortably do, easily do what it does demand, and are you able to do it again and again? Are you able to work hard at it? For example, my time was about 100 years ago, it feels like, but I so I graduated in law and I had done maths and economics.
This series is being organized by Shule University in collaboration with the Vivek IAS Academy. It is being hosted by Pro Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla and Mr. Vivek Atre. Top IAS and IPS officer of the country would speak with students on how to crack civil service exams.
5 students won the scholarships to study abroad. Dheeraj is here with the details.
5 students of a Shule University have got fully funded scholarship for higher studies abroad. They shall be studying in Italy and Taiwan. The students are Vanshika, Abhi, Anjal Thakur, Avinash, Archita and Eva. So far, 40 students have received such a scholarship for higher studies.
Corporate chef of IDC visited Shulini campus. Pankaj has the details.
Chef Manjeet Singh Gill, a former corporate chef of ITC Hotels and considered to be a legend in the Indian and global culinary landscape, visited Shulini University campus on July 6. He was impressed with the facilities for hospitality and hotel management students and said there were good career prospects for the students. Here's what he said in an interview.
The impression about Shulini, and if you see the history, that in such a short time that it has gained such a name that people really talk very high about the university. And today I have came here and I have seen now, and I can see the environment, and the surroundings and everything. And I've been to many professional colleges and the universities internationally, and I have seen that the universities who are little away from the hustle and bustle of the city, they are much better. The students are much better from that kind of universities because they are more focused on the studies all the time.
In our Talent Hunt series, this week we have chosen This Number by Rachit Sood of BSc Honours Biotechnology.
चंदा तुझे हो देखने को निकला करता है, आईना भी हो दीदार को तरसा करता है, जितनी अदा उतनी वफा, जितनी अदा उतनी वफा, देख लो प्यार से एक नजर फिर से जिंदा कर दो तुम मिले, दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए.
And finally, RJ Purvi will tell us what is up on Radio Shulini this week.
Hey there everyone, it's me RJ Purvi from Radio Shulini, and I am here to update you about all the shows that are going to come up this week. You can listen to them on My Shulini app. The audio shows are a Friendship Day special show by RJ Anushka and a tribute to Saroj Khan by RJ Akanksha. And also we have a YouTube Radio Shulini show coming up by RJ Pushp, Candid Conversations #1, which will also be a Saroj Khan special show. So stay tuned, keep listening and keep enjoying. Till then, bye-bye.
That is all for this week. See you next Tuesday. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.